Following up with this drywall project here out here in Aiea. Yeah, just check it out, everybody. It's a drywall project here at the preparation. We removed the window, put in a brand new window on the countertops. So now we're doing the texture. So interior design, home and kitchen, bathroom drywall design. I got some links inserted at the bottom of my webpage. Please click those links, go to our website, Honolulu, Hawaii Drywall Services, professional, licensed. We appreciate your time checking out this. Okay. Check out our website again. That's www.oahuhandyman.com. oahuhandyman.com. Thank you.